Greeting folks, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be taking a peek at one of the restoration that I'm carrying on the Rajdoot XLT. Yes, it's a bit rare and most of you would not even have heard its name, but that's part of Indian motorcycle history, and it was basically a two-stroke motorcycle with 4-speed gearbox. In performance terms, the 173cc Razoo develops 9 bhp at approximately 5000 rpm and gives out a torque of around 13.7 Nm or say approximately 14 Nm at around a compression ratio of 6.6 to 7. The 19-inch tire and the Earl suspension that was of the previous generation, the one which was very much similar to the SHL M11, are distinctive features of this bike. Surely it's not peppy like the RX100, but it can take more punishment than any other bike. Now, talking of SHL M11, in 1962, People's Republic of Poland sold the license for the production of SHL M11 motorcycles and OSA M52 scooters to Indian company Escorts. Before purchasing the license, this company was involved in assembly and distribution of police vehicles in India. In addition to the license for bicycles, Escorts also bought the production documentation for Ursus tractors. Motorcycles under the brand name Rajdoot, which in Hindi means ambassador, based on the construction of SHL M11, were produced in various versions continuously up until 2005 when regulations curbed their production. In addition to the usual road models such as Standard, Deluxe, XLT and Ace, a tiny bike named Razoo GTS Bobby was also manufactured. The engine of the latest version of Razoo used an electronically controlled ignition, a 4-speed gearbox and a 12-volt alternator. A rugged and value for money product, it became an instant hit in the licensed Raj India, and within 43 years of production run, approximately 4,000 units of this motorcycle were produced. The original black Rajdoots with the Earl's type suspension was named the 123, having 3 gears and CV point ignition. The CV points getting replaced by CDI makes it 147. Further variations are the 149 having 4 gears, the 223 electronic having 3 gears, the 215 having 3 gears and 238 having 4 gears. Apart from that, these were basically the engine types, and apart from that there were various other models that we have already discussed, the Ace, the XLT and the Ranger. Now that's a tiny introduction about Rajdoots that I filtered from various sources from internet and otherwise. Stay tuned for more development on the restoration. Till the next time, build it, ride it.